Be honest, guys. Can you really resist a hot plate of eru? Because today I'm showing you exactly how I make my authentic Cameroonian Eru, the kind that fills your kitchen with the most irresistible aroma. And for this recipe, I'm going to be making use of two secret ingredients that most people don't talk about. So stay tuned. For this recipe, you will need eru, very green, waterleaf, freshly harvested, your beef and cow skin, clean palm oil, some seasoning cubes and salt, onion, crayfish, and white pepper. Start by washing your meat and cow skin thoroughly. Place them in a pot and add in some salt, seasoning cubes, and onion. Add in some water and allow everything to cook until tender. Now that our meat is cooking, let us clean the vegetable. Pick the water leaf nicely from the stems, making sure you remove all the flowers and very hard stems. Repeat the process until you finish picking the water leaf. Then slice the water leaf nicely until you get the desired quantity that you need for this soup. Then wash the water leaf very well to remove all dirt and sand particles if there is any. Go ahead and wash the eru as well. Wash it thoroughly because at times the eru usually appear very dirty. For this particular process, I washed it 4 times just to be sure that the eru was very clean. At this point, the meat and the cow skin is ready. Add the water leaf into the pot of cooked meat and cow skin. Allow it to cook for a few minutes until the water leaf softens and releases its natural moisture. Then add palm oil. I do this to allow the palm oil to cook well. After cooking the palm oil for about 5 minutes, I add in my salt and white pepper and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Now add the eru gradually while stirring continuously. Mix properly so the vegetables combine evenly with the meat and cow skin. Add crayfish and allow the eru to cook on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Voila! Our Eru is ready. It tasted amazing. Tasted so delicious. Thank you so much for watching up until now. I really appreciate. I hope you enjoyed this delicious Cameroonian Eru recipe and learned something new. If you try this method at home, let me know how it turned out in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic recipes and kitchen inspiration. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.